Hello my lovelies, Lula from Clarity Night Organic Skincare. I thought I would pop on here with part 2 of the Christmas burn. Now, I will just say, excuse the shiny face. I'm downstairs in the production centre just putting some orders together, online orders. It is currently January the 7th, 2022. I'm here in Melbourne and today we've had rain, we've had thunder, it's all been going on. So yes, so I'm down here just packaging up people's online orders to get sent out, but it is a pretty humid day, so excuse the shine. So I'm just going to run through where I'm at with my burn. So this is 14 days on. All right, so I burnt my arm on New Year's Eve on the air fryer, and I'm just going to show you where I'm at. So I'm just going to, while I'm applying, this is the medium size you can get, so it comes in 3 sizes. This is the medium size, really popular this size, I will say. And I'm just going to, of course, use my spatula and apply and show you. So this is what's happened. It was really blistered, and if you look at the first video, you can see, you know, it obviously looks a little bit more aggressive. But what actually happened was, which has changed now, so I'm just going to go close up. Hopefully this is picking up quite well. Can you see that? It has faded some. But the other thing as well is I just want to make a point just so that hopefully you can pick up the texture. What's actually happened is the tissue skin has filled up. That actually had a dip inside. Now, if anybody has burnt themselves, I'm sure that every cook, chef, mama, papa that loves to cook will know what I'm talking about. When you get a burn and it blisters and then the blister pops, and it's almost like the skin dips in. So that did happen after a couple of days. So this is 14 days on. And obviously because this is a wound healing balm, which is why it's super anti-aging, which I take pride on. Not that I'm blowing my own trumpet, but I am 48 years old and I have never had Botox. I never intend to. I want to grow old gracefully. And really, I swear by lathering up my balm every night. But I am also a big believer of you must exfoliate regularly. So Dynamic Duo is my best friend, and my head to toe balm I absolutely love. And throughout the day I Serenity Spritz. But let's just forget about the base side of it. Let's get back to the balm. I'm very quick to digress, aren't I? Okay, back to my balm. If you my burn. Oh my God, the humidity is spraying my brain. Help. Okay. Here it is. Now I'm just going to stretch the skin because I just want to show you. Can you see how much lighter that is? And the other thing as well is that it was actually dipping in. Have you had that happen before? When you get a burn, it's pretty bad and it blisters, and then the blister sort of pops, and then it's almost like the skin dips in. Well, it has built up really nicely. So this is what, 2 weeks on. So now I'm going to put my balm on. And again, in this case, look, I can massage it straight on, really working it. I want to get as much blood to that area. All right. So I really want you to make a point when you're using your balm, whether it's because you're nourishing your face, whether you're nourishing an area, you are going to really make a point to massage it on. Okay. Now you can see, bringing the blood to the surface, how much it's fading already. So you can see that by stretching the skin. We'll give that another week or so, and that will pretty much be gone. But the thing that I absolutely love about it, because it's so wound healing, the skin is really smooth now. Can you see that? Hopefully. Whereas by probably about day 3 or 4, like I say, the skin kind of dipped in. It started to hollow. Okay, now it's really important, some really important tips, right? If you've got a burn and you're dealing with, or any kind of abrasion, you want to avoid the sun. Okay, you don't want to, while the skin's healing, to encourage pigmentation. All right, remember that anything you use that's aromatherapy based, if you're going to go out in the sunshine, make sure it absorbs, and then you put your sunscreen on, or your mineral powder that's got sunscreen, whatever it is you prefer. But do remember that essential oils are photosensitive, so they will attract the sun. And as much as the head to toe balm, we've discovered when you combine that with a regular 2 or 3 times a week, use Dynamic Duo. I'll get one. Dynamic Duo comes in all skin types and anti-aging sensitive. Ooh, I love this product. When you use this over an area that you want to brighten, or you know, take away potential buildup of pigmentation, this is really brilliant. Now, we're not allowed to use the word whitening anymore. Apparently it's all about brightening. It definitely brightens skin. So if you're looking for anti-aging, cell regenerating, now remember, you know, when it comes to anything that's anti-aging, it means it is encouraging old cells out, new cells in. It's usually something that's wound healing. And the most important thing is we don't want to just keep building on top of the layers. We want the skin to breathe. Okay, so we want to get rid of the old dead skin and we want to encourage the new. So Dynamic Duo, if you're dealing with the face. Okay, with this, if for example this is going to potentially be, the light is not really doing me any justice, am I? I'm not that savvy with all this, am I? But at the end of the day, it's real time, and you know, there's nothing flashy about me. What you see is what you get, and here it is. What you need to do is, if you're in this situation, you're worried about it getting pigmented, get your Dynamic Duo out. Alternatively, obviously, if you're dealing with the body, then you want to get onto any of the other scrubs. So coffee scrub, my lavender scrub, or the muscle. Either or, doesn't matter which one you use. Just be sure to combine them with my lavender shower gel, because they work really well and it gives you that slip and also smells incredible. Again, I'm digressing. Okay, so this was just an update about the burn, baby, burn. And you can see how smooth is that. Have you got any stories for me? If you've got any stories or any tips and you're happy to share, send them through, and or comment below. And you know, again, we've had some incredible stories with head to toe balm, and beautiful healing stories. It is incredible for lifting out potential scarring, pigmentation, rosacea. The list goes on. The list goes on. Okay, anyway, I'm going to carry on packing everybody's orders, and yeah, try and stay cool.